Hello everyone and welcome back to some Dash Auto Repair. Today we are replacing the battery to the key fob of a Mercedes Benz C300. This is a 2014. So here's the key fob, here's the back plate that we're going to be taking off, and here's the battery replacement. It'll tell you exactly what it is. It's a 2025 and I'm going to show you how to open this up and replace it. So first things first, what we need to do is we need to press this with our fingernails inside those little grooves and slide it to the left. So do that. This popped out. Here's the key if something happens and where you need to actually use the key. Here it is. So we're going to, I don't know if you can see that, but to the left of where the key goes in here, that's where we need to place it. So we're going to go ahead and place it in here, and what it's going to do is it's going to pop out this cap. So here we go. Pops it out, and all I needed to do was push. As you can see, the key is in there. See that? Yep, you just need to push and it pops the mechanism out. Now if you look closely into the camera, see it says CR 2025. Make sure you put the right one in there because they all differ in thickness. So it'll also show you which one you need just by looking at this cap. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, CR 2025. So let's set that aside. Here's the bad battery. And we're gonna put a new one in. All right, open the packaging. There we go. Ugh. Pop it out. It's stuck. I think it has another layer in there. Yeah, it does. Okay. Over here mutilating this. Okay, so it has another cap in there. So we need to cut it. We might be able to open it now. Looks like we got to cut it. So I'm going to cut this real quick. So if you get the Duracell ones, you have to cut open the actual, and it tells you that, but I decided to see if I can do it without. I didn't cut it enough. Okay. There it is. These things are very well packaged, I'll say that. Okay, all right, the battery's out. Here it is, and if you notice, there'll be a positive and negative on it. Just positive, I mean. So basically what that means is the positive is right here. The battery's gonna sit just like that. This pushes it down, so that way it makes contact, just like that, and then it works. So you put the cap back on, put the grooves back in the right places, and push lightly. You'll hear it clip. That's when you know it's good. Then you simply just place the key back in. You'll hear another click, verify that that little mechanism is to the right, and that is it. We just replaced the battery on the key fob of a 2014 Mercedes Benz C300. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Dash Auto Repair out.